Can you see yourself in the 2021 Kia Forte? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Give in to your craving for smooth performance and a sporty upscale feel. This Forte was designed with drivers in mind. Agile, powerful, efficient, and packed with technology that lets you make it your own. This compact sedan helps you make the most out of every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control. Sleek and comfortable intersect with sporty and spirited in this multi-talented Forte. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.